Imagine discovering a simple exercise that not only improves your health, but also enhances your sexual drive. Kegel exercises, often overlooked, hold the power to boost your sexual pleasure significantly. Kegel exercises, named after Dr. Arnold Kegel, who first recommended them in the mid-20th century, involve the rhythmic clenching and unclenching of pelvic floor muscles. These are the same muscles you use to stop the flow of urine midstream. Why focus on these muscles, you may wonder? Health experts emphasize that a strong pelvic floor can lead to increased sensitivity during intercourse and even stronger orgasms. This isn't just a small benefit. For many, it's a game changer. Incorporating Kegels into your daily routine is refreshingly simple. Begin by identifying your pelvic floor muscles during urination by stopping the flow briefly. Once you know which muscles to target, you can perform Kegels anywhere and at any time, whether you're sitting at your desk, driving, or relaxing on the couch. Aim for 3 sets of 10 repetitions each day. It's like a mini workout for your pelvic region, but without the need for any gym equipment. The beauty of Kegel exercises lies in their discretion and simplicity. Health experts suggest making these exercises a staple of your daily routine. Just like any other muscle group, the pelvic floor muscles thrive on regular exercise. Over time, you might notice not just an increase in sexual pleasure, but also improvements in urinary continence and pelvic health. But how effective are Kegel exercises really? Studies have shown that consistent practice can lead to noticeable improvements in pelvic floor muscle strength in as little as 6 to 12 weeks. That's quite rapid in the realm of physical fitness, where gains can often be slow and hard-earned. Now, imagine if more people knew about the benefits of Kegel exercises. Could this be the unsung hero of both sexual health and pelvic stability? How have Kegel exercises changed your daily routine or your health? Share your experiences, and let's spread the word on this simple yet powerful practice.